So hello guys and welcome back to Android game development series in Unity 3D. So in the previous video we have learned how to collect the coins with the help of our bird character. As you can see here, we have discussed about the collectibles. But in this video we are going to learn about the hazards or dangers in our mobile game. So you have played the game and you have encountered some kind of dangers like fire, like some spikes, and when your character collide with this fire or spikes, you have ended your game and you are forced to restart your game. So in this video we are going to create a new hazard here. We are going to introduce some kind of danger in the form of spike. And when our character will touch this spike and he will be pushed back to a new position or new starting position, just like the level is ended and the character is going to start again. So if you are new to our channel, then it is a request to please subscribe to our channel because we have been bringing a lot of free courses, material and content for you. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. So guys, just like our previous video, we have the bird character here and it has the tag bird. So if you have not watched our previous video, it is recommended to watch our previous video first and then come back to this video. So now we have to introduce the danger or hazard here. So for this I have to delete few coins so that I can be able to make a place for our new game object or sprite. Now go to our image and from here click and drag the spike into our sprite folder and then click and drag the spike on the particular position on our scene. I think here it is fine. Now first of all we have to add the component to this spike. So just like in our previous video we have discussed, we have to make the prefab for the best practices for the game development. For this, click and drag the hazard from inspector or hierarchy to our prefab folder and it has turned to blue, which is a clear indication that it is converted to prefab. Now we have to select this hazard in the prefab and from here we have to add a component. Select the physics 2D and from here you have to come down and select the polygon collider 2D. Another thing that you must have to check this box is triggered because whenever this bird is going to collide with this hazard, you will receive a callback in our code. So let's come to the code and create that event. For this I will come into the scripts and from here I am going to create a new script, new C# script and name this script as danger. Now double click on this script to launch the VL Studio. So guys, just like we discussed in previous video, we are given with two functions, start and update. So this update function keeps on calling itself again and again throughout the life cycle of the game. Now we have to introduce a new callback function here, which will be triggered whenever our bird is going to collide with this spike. So guys, here we have to introduce a new callback, which will be called whenever this bird is going to collide with this spike and this event will be triggered. Let's call that event, that is on trigger enter 2D. And from here, just like I discussed in the previous video, we have to discriminate what game object has collided with the spike. And for this I have introduced a bird tag for this character. Just like you can see here, I have given the tag and by checking its tag I am going to reposition my character, reposition my bird character. Let's do it. Now we are going to give it new vector 2D position, that is -5, and let's give some jump here, 5 as well. So now let's come back to the Unity. So Unity will take some time to reload the script here. Now we have to come back to our prefab, select our spike object, and from here we have to add the component, and we have to add a script this time and select the danger script. So this code or script is allocated to this spike. Now let's build and compile our application. So you can see here my character can move, and when I am going to jump from here, you can see here my character is repositioned where it has started. It's just like ended the game level and start your bird character at some other position. Let's try again. When I'm going to touch this spike, you can see here my character is repositioned from some height, and or my game level is just restarted. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. This is enough for this session. See you in next video.